For our industry recently, it's been a time of change, impact and hardship. But the Idea Lab is here to help, support, grow and drive the industry forward. The Idea Lab is a platform created by The Blend Australia with multiple grants available up to $20,000 to help grow, support and really drive our industry forward and create a change for the better. I believe this is an opportunity that shouldn't be taken lightly, an opportunity that doesn't really come around very often. And I feel very privileged to be part of this platform that gives you an opportunity to create something that can change our industry for the better. I am here to help you, guide you and support you along your journey, and I will try my very best to help you any way that I can to put you on the path of success. Over the last few years there's been many incredible and inspiring people that have really changed our industry for the better. Some examples that come to mind are Tim Etherington Judge and Healthy Hospo, where his platform is really championing the wellness of our industry. Or perhaps even Trash Tiki, a collective that is leading the charge on the sustainability movement. These are ideas that have taken time and been professionally developed, not just something that's been written on a bar napkin after service, even though perhaps that's how these ideas originated, but they have been carefully curated, and those ideas have now become movements, making waves across the globe. And we want to help you and your idea do the same. I've been working with The Blend Australia for a long time now, and throughout that period I've been able to develop some insights to what they might be looking for with this platform. So here are some pointers or tips that you might wish to consider upon your entry. For your idea to be brought into fruition, it must comply with Australian licensing laws and their ABAC code. It shouldn't break any of those. It shouldn't generate any negative media attention, and also shouldn't be something that a competitor can use and run with. Be original. Think outside the box. What does our industry need or want, or what can you change for the better? I would strongly suggest that once your idea is live, that no competitor brands can be able to play in that space. Make sure that your idea has purpose, is helpful to you, your team or your wider community. Read the room. This is a Beam Suntory activation and platform. Is there anything that you can do to help promote these brands, or even generate sales? When you're collaborating with a brand, it's both parties' reputations that are in the spotlight. Make sure that you represent yourself and also conduct yourself in a professional manner. If you wish to know a little bit more about this, we have a personal branding module in the bartender administration platform that I created with the Blends of the Virtual World. If you have selected a brand or brands from the Beam Suntory portfolio, make sure that your idea is aligned with that brand and that brand values. These brands have such a rich history, you can utilise that to your advantage. Make sure that you are very thorough with the entry form, responding in detail to every question. Remember, this is more comparable to a business plan than it is a cocktail recipe. The more detail you give, the more insight the judges will have to your idea or your message. I would strongly suggest downloading the form, taking time to go over your answers, and then copy and pasting them for them to be submitted. You really don't want to rush this. You want to make sure that you're very thorough with your responses. If you don't put much effort into your response at this stage, you will fall behind. It'll be very clear to the judges when they're reviewing it who has put the effort in. Use this as an opportunity to take a step forward from the rest of the competition. Entries close on the 27th of September. Use this time to your advantage and use it wisely. Give a lot of thought process to your ideas and don't submit them at the last minute. Read the rules and reach out to the Beam Suntory team of ambassadors if you have any questions. You are not alone. They are there to help. You can enter the Idea Lab online at www.theblend.com. Good luck.